Gracing 6 countries, Lancang River issues from an extraordinary place. A place where mysterious animals dwell and curious plants grow. The people who have lived here for generations keep to the most peculiar lifestyle. Deep in this valley is the highest national park in the world. Qinghai Sanjiangyuan National Park, Lancang River Zone. High up in the alpine tundra, at an altitude of over 4,500 meters, the Earth is covered in thick meadows, which become a boundless sea of green once the winter snows thaw. Here, the meadows transfer the energy from the sun to other forms of life. To this day, the area remains a sparsely populated ranch on the plateau.
人们常说我很幸运，这些年来，我一直在想，我真的幸运吗？父母算是幸运吗？现在我年纪大了，能在这里生活一辈子，而且这里又变成了国家公园，我想的确是幸运的。
A life spent with yaks on the grasslands has taught herder Jia Xi the language of nature.
我们的这个官员上的天气变化大得很，下雨的云，下冰雹的云是什么样的？朝下、晚下，表示着不同的天气。
Jia Xi tracks the position of the sun and the movement of clouds on each day on the back of a calendar. By keeping track this way, he has learned how to cope with nature.
看太阳，看银子就知道时间。你看看，我表都不用带了。
This is not passive submission. Jia Xi believes that by conversing with nature, he can hear the sweetest voice in the world.
我们的这个草原上有各种各样的声音了，蝴蝶呀、蛇类呀、蜜蜂呀、粉蜘蛛呀，它们在一起唱歌是吧？
Living intimately with nature binds Jia Xi closely to his ranch. Nobody knows the grasslands better than the herders, and nobody loves nature more than they do.